your English bestie. Hey, English learners, welcome back to Lexi Lingua, your English bestie. Today, Maya and Ben are chatting about their favorite holidays. You'll hear real English conversation, personal stories, and fun expressions to help you improve your listening skills and sound more natural in conversation. Let's listen in.
So, Ben, if you had to choose just one holiday to celebrate for the rest of your life, which one would it be?
Ooh, tough question. But easy answer. Christmas, hands down. The lights, the music, the food. It just feels magical. You?
I knew you'd say Christmas. It's a classic. But for me, it's gotta be New Year's Eve. There's something so exciting about starting fresh, making resolutions, and staying up until midnight.
I get that. New Year's is fun, especially the fireworks. But I think Christmas wins in the cozy department. I mean, come on. Sitting by the fire, watching holiday movies, and eating way too many cookies? That's my vibe.
True. I do love that part. But New Year's has all the energy. It's like one big global countdown party. Everyone is hopeful, dressed up, and dancing like no one's watching.
Okay, you've got me there. The energy is electric. Do you go out for New Year's or stay home?
Usually, I go out with friends. We dress up, go to a rooftop or a party, and count down together. Then we yell, "Happy New Year," and hug everyone, even strangers. It's wild, but in a good way.
That sounds amazing. I usually spend New Year's half asleep with a slice of leftover pie.
Pie is a valid way to celebrate. What do you love most about Christmas?
Honestly, the family time. Every year we decorate the tree together, listen to carols, and my mom makes her famous cinnamon rolls. And gifts, of course. Not gonna lie, I still get excited like a kid.
Oh, that sounds so sweet. We never really did big Christmas traditions in my family, so I think that's why I lean toward New Year's. It always felt more mine, you know?
Totally get it. Holidays are personal. For me, Christmas is about slowing down, reconnecting, but New Year's is like your chance to hit the reset button. What's your favorite resolution you've ever made?
One year, I promised to try something new every month. It was amazing. I went hiking, took a dance class, even tried sushi for the first time.
That's awesome. My resolutions are usually boring, like drink more water or go to bed earlier, which I never actually do.
Same here. But hey, it's the thought that counts, right?
Exactly. So, if you could celebrate your favorite holiday anywhere in the world, where would you go?
Ooh, great question. I think I'd love to spend New Year's in Tokyo. I've heard they have amazing countdowns and light shows. You?
I'd go to Germany for Christmas. Those Christmas markets look like something out of a fairy tale. Wooden stalls, hot drinks, handmade ornaments. It's my dream.
What a fun and festive chat. So tell us in the comments, what's your favorite holiday and how do you celebrate it? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and join us again at Lexi Lingua, your English bestie. See you next time, and happy holidays.